Create-a-Foo. Today we're going to be learning how to make Liberty. So first we're going to start with these eyes for the Liberty. Next we're going to choose the color blue because you know Liberty is kind of bluish greenish like this one. Maybe we should do this one. So it's kind of a dark teal. Then we're gonna do the hair for Liberty, which is, let me find it, hold on. This one that matches the skin. It should match the skin. If it's like not matching the skin, that means you did the wrong color. Then we're gonna add the accessory. I'm gonna have the same color as the skin, but a little darker so you can see it. So you don't it's not camouflage, you don't even know it's there. Next, we're gonna do the t-shirt for Liberty. Let's use a necklace, which looks like this, but let's change the color to this kind of color, what she's skin color. Then we're gonna do, what is she holding? We're gonna make her hold a genie pot. Or book that. So we had to do a genie pot to do it because I know Statue of Liberty does not have it, but it should do for now since we don't have anything like it, like a torch. We don't have that. And that's it for today.